Packing and moving tips. Start early and start small. Have plenty of boxes, tape, bubble wrap, and wrapping paper on hand. Buy specialty boxes such as dish and closet boxes to make the job easier. Pack infrequently used or seasonal items first. You may want to rent a small storage unit to keep the home less cluttered and easier to navigate. Label all boxes and consider color coding rooms. Safety. Take safety measures into account during all aspects of the entire packing process. Plastics such as bubble wrap and bags pose a suffocation danger to young children and pets. Packing tape, box cutters, and scissors are all dangerous to children. When packing small items or chemicals, keep them out of reach of children and pets. Consider having additional supervision available for children when you are distracted with packing. Lock the doors of your home and vehicle on each trip back and forth to prevent theft or unauthorized access. Pet safety. Some pets love boxes. Give them a new toy and they'll want to play with the box it came with instead. The chaos of packing and moving may cause a pet to hide in a box that normally would not do that. Make sure pets cannot tip over heavy boxes onto themselves or hide in a box and get packed up with only a limited air supply. When we move, we tend to hold the doors open wide for others. Make sure children and pets do not take advantage of the opportunity to sneak out the door. A magical thing happens to some dogs when they smell freedom. They can run faster and farther than ever before imagined. Consider keeping your dog locked in a room with a baby gate or take some other additional precautions to prevent possible escape and entry from a vehicle passing by. During your travel to your new home and the first few days following the move, there will be essential items that you will find it hard to live without. For most of us, it is important to have access to your prescriptions, eyeglasses, car keys, cell phone, phone charger, and other essential items. You'll also need to be able to find all your basic toiletries when you arrive at your new home. Important items should be kept on your person or in the luggage containing the clothes you will wear the first few days following the move. Do not keep them in the moving truck. They could easily be misplaced. Make a checklist of these critical items to make sure nothing gets overlooked. Consider purchasing moving insurance. The different types of policies associated with moving do differ on what they cover. Some policies only cover damage, some only cover current value and not the replacement costs. You may prefer a policy that covers total loss of your belongings. If you are considering a moving company and they are only offering valuation coverage, consider purchasing moving insurance. Valuation coverage can have more limitations in paying for damage and loss, and may only pay out based on weight and not the value of the item. If you pack your own boxes and damage occurs from the moving company, you might not be reimbursed. The same could apply to fire and theft. Talk to your personal insurance agent for help in finding the best policy and insurance company to purchase moving insurance from or purchase from your moving company. If you're thinking about moving, give me a call.